not wearing masks while riding the subway.
Showing the fuck ain't.
J.D. Vance is pushing for a federal ban on mask
in there like
mandates.
sardines in a
This is coming
can.
back unless we stop it from happening.
But Dr.
We gonna have this shit the rest of our life, shit. We gonna have this shit the rest of our life.
We should be taking precautions as COVID cases.
Y'all made that shit. Y'all can cut that switch anytime you want to. The Great Reset. Every 100 years. I'm not taking no more booster shot. I can't be not another
Messages on masks. After the First Lady
pin
tested
cushion for
positive,
nobody.
he pledged to stay masked in public as a precaution.
He gonna get that shit too.
Medal of Honor ceremony, he didn't exactly do what he said he would.
Yeah, that motherfucker gonna get that shit. Him and Trump. Him and Trump. Trump gonna get that shit. He gonna get that shit. Mitch McConnell gonna get that shit.
He's also taking heat for leaving the ceremony early, but the White House says that was part of the plan.
He left as planned, as it was planned. He left when there was a pause in the program in order to minimize his.
He should have put a damn mask on, contradicting his damn self.
Masked up when she recorded a message for The View, reassuring everyone she has a mild case of COVID and will be back soon.
I'm still testing positive.
Fuck this shit. We gonna dial some shit. Oh well, DNR me. Don't hook me up on shit.
Meantime, over